we got to come back up. Do you use the four-wheel drive to pull this hill in? I know my truck you do.
Here on this one. Back a little bit, brake,
Once we get past the big logs and stuff there, you got a bunch of C&D there, got a bunch of stuff there. Back up that hill, we got a bunch of